BMW S1000RR. Review: when launched it was the best superbike out. The BMW S1000RR superbike is the fourth generation of a machine that first arrived on the scene in 2010. At a time when its rivals could barely muster a rear-wheel 160 brake horsepower, the German Wonder Machine made 190 brake horsepower, had MotoGP-inspired electronics and race-ready handling, impressive for a company best known for sensible tourers and adventure bikes. Refined in 2012 and updated in 2015, it's a multiple TT winner, loved by racers and is the circuit weapon of choice for discerning track heads. Its long-awaited successor has been 4 years in the making and new from the ground up. From its sultry looks and electronic gadgetry, to its fresh new easy feel, the 2019 BMW S1000RR is a major departure from the previous model. Only the name remains the same. Agile, accurate and refined, it handles like a lightweight 600 cubic centimeters supersport racer with the grunt of a V4 and the manic top-end power of a competition superbike. Ride quality and brakes. A new riding position is no less comfy than before, but the RR is more compact and airy light, like a 600. It makes the old machine feel like a podgy tourer with a 20 kg bag of spuds for an engine. Bars are splayed out further and you're sat more in the RR, up against a taller, far slimmer tank. All-up weight is reduced by 11 kg, 14.5 kg for the M version, the motor alone is 4 kg lighter and the exhaust weighs less than the single-cylinder BMW G310 RS. Steering is lighter, crisper and BMW claims improved rear tire wear on track. Engine. BMW's screaming 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 never lacked top-end power, but the new slimmer, lighter cranked motor revs harder and faster, head-butting its redline with the savage alacrity of a Pucca superbike engine. The way it dispenses with straights, with a strange kind of violent calm, is a sign that few of its rivals, if any, will get close on the drag out of a corner. A lighter crank, hollowed-out intake valves and Lari high-rev inlet valve timing, helps it to acclaimed 204 brake horsepower. Stick a full race pipe on it, you're looking at over 215 brake horsepower. Reliability and build quality. Early S1000RRs suffered minor engine and electronics problems, but they have been addressed by BMW over the years and all of those lessons learned have gone into creating the 2019 model. Dealer service is excellent, so even if there is recall or warranty work to be done, it shouldn't cause any major headaches. Our BMW S1000RR owners' reviews show happy buyers, with nothing to concern us at time of writing in May 2021. Don't forget that you can learn a huge amount about the BMW S1000RR's reliability in our long-term test review. Value versus rivals. Superbikes have rocketed in price over the past few years, putting the base model out of reach for all but the lucky few, although PCP deals undoubtedly help. But the base S1000RR, Sport and M package are comparable in price, or cheaper than their equivalent superbike counterparts from Italy, Ducati Panigale V4S, Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, and Japan, Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade, Yamaha R1, Kawasaki ZX-10R. If you're looking for a used BMW S1000RR for sale in the UK, check MCN Bikes for sale first. Equipment. Although the old S1000RR was first with the rider aids we know and, some of us, now love, its electronics have fallen behind its rivals in recent years. A new 6-axis inertial measurement unit and electronic strategies are set to change all that.